Okay, the boys are about to go kayaking. It's complimentary when you stay here. Kayaking and paddleboarding are complimentary when you stay at Sky Beach, so they're gonna go do that today.
Here, take the camera.
10 to 5, I want to say, is when it's available. Okay.
Come up here and get your margarita.
I'm coming. And I can't wait to show you the rest of the grounds. It's a really great time here. The foliage and everything is probably my favorite part. Like all the beautiful old trees, and there's coconut palms, and they did a really good job just with I'll show you our cabana for the day that we picked. Right by these hammocks. I know, isn't it great? And that's where we sat yesterday. Is it open up there? Yeah. Up top right now? Are you sure? Daddy. Hi. Oh, Pookie Boy wants a wave. How's that lemonade, boy? Good. Look at that baby. Come on, Lo. No. Let's see if there's any dolphins. Come on, Lolo. Oh, beautiful. Remember the guy said that yesterday there was dolphins right out there.
Mama, you see the sunset?
Sunrise.
Well, you can't see the sun right now, right, Mama? Right, Mommy?
Yeah.
What does that
Sky Beach. Like that? Wait, let Daddy off. I found a divot. Should I carry this or should you?
No, I carry the GoPro.
Please enjoy the ride.
Mootsie, you back there?
Yep.
Okay.
Walking the holes back here. Turn us, Moochie, turn us. So I...
See him kayaking out there? Good job, Daddy.
Show the
All the
camera
plants.
tree with the coconut. Coconuts. There's a big one, little one. There's a bunch of them.
There's supposed to be a live band here tonight. I don't know if we'll be here in time for that, but we're gonna be hanging out all day at the two pools, the hot tub, at the little beach here.
So I wonder if they have live music or something out here. There's Brady.
Okay, we're at Sky Beach. This is our room.
20 minutes.
Everything's brand new and smells really good and very clean.
Outside.
They're already in there, aren't they?
Bye, bye. This is the part where they jump going to the kayak.
They're not up yet, Bubba. You remember where they were set up? You'll see him when he comes out. Ooh, they're gonna do yoga. Right there. This way. Okay, we're at Sky Beach. Just had a nice day. I love the foliage. Come on.